Would you look at that fitment by Joseph Young? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday. We've got the live chat tonight. You better jump on because it's going to be lit. We're at Streetcar Joe's house tonight. We're going to do some welding on that upper radiator pipe, and we'll see where it goes from there. So I will see you guys over there. I'm going through withdrawals, guys. I don't have the Mustang. I can't race. This lady's about to get the sauce. I'm going on green. I don't know if she's going, but I'm going. I'm going on green. I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on. Get a little foot brake here. We're out of gas. Hopefully it doesn't die. Foot braking, foot braking, foot braking, foot braking, foot braking, foot braking. Come on. Got him. And just like that, I'm 1-0 for the day. What kind of contraption motorcycle is that? It's got like 2 super skinny wheels on it. Right there. Right there. What the hell is that? Please comment down below if you know what that is, because I have no idea what that is. That is one very odd looking Mustang. Interesting approach there, Dave. We'll see how it works out for you. Hey Joe.
What's up?
What you doing?
I'll work on your car while you're not here.
What a friend.
Did you bring ice cream?
I'll be right back.
Car cleaner?
Oh
my gosh, David!
Oh, I'm messing up today. So Joe's got this tacked up. I gotta clean it with the wire brush, and then he's gonna lay some dimes. So this piece came out pretty good. So it's gonna sit like that, if you guys are wondering. And like I said, we got a bead roll on this side, so it shouldn't pop off the coupler. And then that side's welded, so we shouldn't have any problems on that side. And they gave us a little extra coupler. You just cut it to size. And we got the metal clip that goes inside the coupler. And then it's even got a little rubber O-ring. Should work out pretty good. Would you look at that fitment by Joseph Young? Wow. That's very nice.
Pretty good.
This is pretty good.
Alright. Weld looks halfway decent.
Pretty good. Is it harder to weld the smaller pipe or no?
It is kind of harder to weld.
To control it or
I
what?
think no, because you don't have a good surface to sit there and go. Like, you gotta really pay attention to your torch angle as you go.
Okay. Fitment is good though.
Fitment looks good.
We're good. My car looks naked. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going?
Sorry.
Ooh, Joseph.
Not very good.
Man, that's
a little hot.
pretty good. A little hot?
Really hot.
I'm touching.
Okay.
I'm touching. Oh man, I have been waiting for this for a few weeks. I'm so excited. Let's open it up. So guys, this is the air to water that I ordered from Aldo Welds. It's a custom one-off piece based on the dimensions that I actually provided him. It's got, I believe, these are 3 or 3.5 inch inlets, and then we've got 16 AN lines so that we can have some 1 inch water lines going from the ice tank. And then it looks like he's got some brackets up here that we may utilize. I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna mount it. We'll figure that out once I get it to Joe's, but this intercooler, the way I spec'd it out, is actually gonna be good for 2,000 horsepower, but based on the design and the dimensions, the largest cores that we could go would only be good for about 1,600 horsepower to the wheels. So this intercooler should be good for a while, but this is rated for 1,500 to 1,600 wheel horsepower, and yeah, it can hold some power. Super nice one-off piece from Aldo Welds. There was no discount. I'm not sponsored by him or anything, but I just reached out to him because I know he builds badass stuff for Mustangs, and you can obviously tell by the craftsmanship and the welds on this. It is a super nice piece, and it is the exact dimensions I wanted. So Joe and I figured out what size we wanted and how much horsepower we needed it good for, because you want to kind of go over what you're actually shooting for. That way you don't run into any IAT issues. And if you guys know, I've had massive IAT issues with the Mustang, so this is going to take care of all of those issues. So I'm really excited to get this mounted up. I'm going to take it over to Joe's tonight, see what he thinks. So to go with the air to water, I've got the Davy Craig's electric water pump. Utilizing this, it's got plenty of flow for what I need. It's pretty funny, it looks like a small turbo, like a little Pro Charger. So we've got that. And then we've got, this is the larger 7.5 gallon tank from P&R. Same thing, it's got 1 inch lines, so 16 AN, because we're gonna run 1 inch hose. We are gonna fix these IAT issues with the Mustang. I don't care what we have to do, but now we've got the Aldo Welds air to water intercooler, good for like 1,500-1,600 wheel horsepower. We've got the larger P&R tank, we've got the Davy Craig's pump. So we need to pick up some 1 inch lines, make some brackets for the air to water, mount up the ice tank, wire up the electric water pump, and run some lines from the air to water back to the ice tank. So hopefully in the next few videos, you guys will see us actually installing this stuff. But I'm super excited because I've been running into some huge IAT issues. We're seeing IATs like 180 to 190, and just can't have a car running that hot. So this is gonna solve our issues with that, hopefully, and it'll allow us to run a lot more power. And I built a bigger intercooler, that way I don't have to change it out ever. We should have this intercooler for a long time. It should last us a long time. It's super nice quality, very good welds, and we use really nice cores for the intercooler, so we shouldn't have any problems with that stuff. But if you guys don't believe me, I'm telling you, there is some huge mods coming to the Mustang. This is just part of it, and you guys have kind of known about the air to water for a while, but today, again, I kind of worked on some things for the Mustang that are coming. And I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be a few weeks, but there's some crazy things happening to the Mustang. You guys are gonna wanna stay tuned, trust me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Vanby39. I will see you guys on the next one.